You've invested a lot into your F-150, and to keep it running in top shape, you are going to need to have it regularly serviced. We at Richmond Ford West want to help you understand your truck's maintenance schedule so you know when it's time to bring it in for its next service and what will be taken care of at that time. Your truck's maintenance schedule consists of 10,000 mile service intervals that will consist of the core services and inspections that you'll need to have repeated at every interval. Of course, there are a few services that will need to occur sporadically. It's important to keep your eyes on the odometer so you know the right time to bring in your truck for service. 10,000 miles. During this service interval and each one after, you'll want to have your oil changed and your oil filter replaced. You'll also want to have your tires rotated to help them last as long as possible. Also, have your cooling system, exhaust system, braking system including the pads, lines, hoses, and rotors and joints all inspected thoroughly. 20,000 miles. While you'll need a repeat of the services you had performed at 10,000 miles, you will also have your cabin air filter replaced at this time. 30,000 miles. You'll add having the air filter replaced at this interval. 100,000 miles. When you hit 100,000 miles, you'll need to have your spark plugs replaced and your orange coolant changed. During this visit, you'll also want to have your accessory drive belt inspected and replaced if necessary. 150,000 miles. This is another big benchmark for your Ford F-150 because there are a few huge services that you'll need. You'll need to have your automatic transmission and transaxle fluid and filters replaced. You'll also need to change your rear axle lubricant. At this time, you should also replace your accessory drive belt if you haven't already. If you need help having these services performed, you can always count on us at Richmond Ford West, where we are driven by you.